Welcome back. So right in this video, I want to talk about this particular policy you're seeing right on my screen, compromised site. The advertisement has been disapproved, and then the reason for the disapproval is specified as compromised site. So in case you see this in your account, then you might be wondering what exactly is wrong with the advertisement. Could it be that something is wrong with your website? Yes, something is wrong with your website. Whenever you log into your Google advertisement account and you see the status of your advertisement as disapproved compromised site, what it means is your site is likely under attack. By the way, your site could be under attack due to many reasons. It could be due to outdated themes, plugins, or whatever script you're running on your website. And when some of these scripts or plugins or themes are outdated, they could compromise the integrity of your website. And when Google detects this, then the advert will be disapproved because they have to protect the users of the platform. So whenever you log into your account and you see that the status of your advertisement is disapproved due to compromised site, the best way to solve the problem is to go ahead and run thorough diagnosis of your website to see whatever is wrong with the website and remove any compromised script or theme or plugin on the website. And when you do this appropriately and resubmit your advertisement, the advert could be reapproved and then it can start running on Google's network. And in some situations, the advertisement can be approved automatically even without you doing anything on the website, depending on what actually caused the problem. So whenever you see this, just know that the problem is coming from your website, and the best way to approach it is to go ahead and review the website, fix whatever problem you might be having on the website, and then you should be able to run your advertisement again. However, if after trying this you are still unable to run the advertisement, then you might have to go ahead and use another website for the advertisement. I've encountered this a couple times and I'm able to solve it either by fixing the problem on the website or by switching to another website for the advertisement. So this is what I have for you in this video, and I hope with this you understand exactly what it means when the status is disapproved due to compromised website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.